This epoxy terrazzo installation stands out for its bold use of color within a cohesive modern interior design. Complementing the neutral tones, a pristine white adds elegance, while the creative large-scale integration of the school's vibrant yellow infuses energy into the space and achieves the intended yellow tunnel effect. In addition, the complex strip pattern on this renovation project is precisely aligned, the finish flat, and the aggregate distribution and colors consistent throughout. The floor was initially polished to a 200 grit finish with the specified floor finish sealer. However, the client team then requested more shine, so the sealer was stripped and the floor burnished with a series of progressively finer grit pads. The contractor's crews successfully overcame the difficulties of limited on-site storage and a tight schedule. When the school opened in the fall, night work began. The center's 4 restaurants had to be covered with plastic during night shifts to keep dust out of food prep areas, to ensure a clean environment with no evidence of the terrazzo work. A very well done goes to TB Penick Sons of San Diego for this captivating renovation project at the University of California at San Diego Price Center.